Hello everyone and welcome back to day 4 of learning King of Kings by Hillsong Worship. My name is Mandy and I'm so glad that you are here. So this is a really popular song sung at Easter every year and I'm excited to be learning with you. Just a reminder, we've covered it in the other days as well, that this is a tough song. So if you're having trouble with it, don't be discouraged. Just maybe put it to the back burner and try some other ones and come back to this one again. Okay, so today I won't be describing any of the signs. I did that in the first 3 parts. So today we are just going to walk through top to bottom before tomorrow when we sign with the music. Reminder as always, I'm left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you still haven't printed off the lyrics, you can find a link in the below in the description. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so top to bottom. Okay, here we go. In the darkness, we were waiting without hope, without light, till from heaven you came running. There was mercy in your eyes. Okay? To fulfill the law of prophets, to a virgin came the word. From the throne of endless glory to a cradle in the dirt. Now the chorus, praise the Father, praise the Son, praise the Spirit, 3 in 1. God of glory, majesty, praise forever to the King of Kings. Okay, moving on to verse 2. To reveal the kingdom coming and to reconcile the lost, to redeem, redeem the whole creation. You did not despise the cross, for even in your suffering you saw to the other side, knowing this was our salvation. Jesus, for our sake you died. And chorus, praise the Father, praise the Son, praise the Spirit, 3 in 1. God of glory, majesty, praise forever to the King of Kings. Okay, now that big tough section, okay? In the morning that you rose, all of heaven held its breath till that stone was moved for good and the Lamb had conquered death. And the dead rose from their tombs and the angels stood in awe. But the souls of all who'd come to the Father are restored. And the church of Christ was born and the Spirit lit the flame. Now this gospel truth of old shall not kneel and shall not faint. By his blood and in his name, in his freedom I am free. For the love of Jesus Christ, who has resurrected me. Praise the Father, praise the Son, praise the Spirit, 3 in 1. God of glory, majesty, praise forever to the King of Kings. That was tough, that's okay. It's okay if you need to practice over and over and over again. And if you need to, you can go back to those first tutorials if you need more description on each of the signs, okay? Practice as many times as you need to, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we sign with the music. Bye. You guys know the drill. Subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any of the future songs. You can also find us on Facebook, where we chat a little more about day-to-day life. Hope wherever you are healthy and you are well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.